Hello guys, welcome na naman po sa ating channel. Ito nga pala yung Kuya Carl. Nasa vacation tayo ngayon sa Las Vegas. So, dito ako ngayon tumutuloy sa dito ako ngayon sa Desert Retreat Hilton Vacation Club. Yan. So ito guys yung site niya. Ito yung tinuluyan namin dahil mas maganda dito. Kung gusto niyo talaga ng all family talaga na na vacation, nandito na lahat. Yan, gagawin natin, maglalakad-lakad lang muna tayo. Explore natin yung lugar. Ito guys ang ang view ng Las Vegas sa umaga. Yan. Walang snow. See? Ito nakapark yung mga sasakyan. Ang temperature pa lang ngayon sa Las Vegas is plus 10 degrees. So kumpara ngayon sa atin sa Edmonton ngayon is minus 1 degrees yata or minus 5 dito. Ito nga pala guys yung aking papakita ko sa inyo yung aking narenta na sasakyan. Ito, yan. Ito, Nissan Altima. Malit lang na kotse pero ito lang naman yung kailangan namin eh. So ito yung magbibigay sa amin ng ride. So far naman tahimik naman dito. Okay siya. Sa mga marirecommend kong mga hotel sa sa Vegas na hindi magulo. Yan. Dito pala tayo guys sa kanilang pool. So ngayon ito yung hot tub nila. Hot tub. Yan, pool. Yan. Dito tayo. Ngayon dito sa isang side na to, sabi dito adult only pool. Yan. Tapos merong family pool din doon. Yan Ganda yung niya. Magandang yung location niya. Saka family friendly talaga. Okay guys, nandito na naman tayo sa Crazy Buffet. Yan. Ito yung pagkain sa Crazy Buffet. Lak mo?
Bahala sa buhay mo.
Ano yung dyan ang lak mo?
Hello dito sa'yo.
Sige. Huh?
Galit?
Your dearest wish will come
Ano ba yung
true.
wishes mo?
I can't say it.
A friend asks only for your time, not your money.
Aba? Okay
The guy has no friends.
Yeah.
Kaya ate mo.
Dati mo
Your dearest wish will come true.
Eh,
Oh, not
hindi.
That's the same thing as mine.
Pare-pareho lang, no?
I'm trying the strawberry.
You're good. Go ahead. You're good.
Don't put pictures of me. Tastes like medicine.
You're good.
Stop. You don't?
Nasabi mo kung dito tayo nakatira, no?
Dito lagi may party.
Ah.
No? Affordable.
Bakit na affordable?
Bahala ka sa buhay mo. Bahala ka sa...
If mommy lived here, she would spend all her food on eating out.
Okay.
All her money on eating out. Wait, I only have a cookie left.
Ice cream.
Yung pa ice cream?
May ano yung chocolate.
Ba?
Pero,
Swirl.
okay lang ha.
May ito yung Hilton Grand Vacations Cancun. Pasok na po tayo. Okay. Ganito. Yan, oh. Ganda pala dito sa ano.
Siguro may ano to, oras.
Oh, may oras siguro. Diyan kayo magsiswimming, oh.
Yung siswing yan, kalamig na. Wala?
Okay.
It's right there. It says
Yung muna na yung
Ha?
malapit sa office niya.
Private. No smoke,
Everything here.
no
Yeah.
casino, no
Yeah.
nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Private.
Yeah.
People love it. One of the reasons they buy these, they don't want smoke. They don't want to put the kids under smoke. Follow me?
Oh, oh.
If you just have good license, if you want to party and smoke and drink, clubbing, okay, stay in the strip. But if you bring in the kids, I recommend you guys here.
Yeah.
No, we don't smoke.
That here, this local hotels.
Yeah.
But it's none of the Hilton. You can stay Trump Tower too. Trump Tower. We have
Yeah.
300 condos.
Oh, Trump
We
Towers?
just go. Yeah, Trump Tower is
Oh.
us. We have 300. Yeah. We have,
It's not Donald.
we
Oh.
have Trump Tower.
What?
300 condo we have there.
Oh.
Oh,
You can stay with your points.
oh, okay.
Oh.
Yeah. So our new president.
Yeah,
Are you happy? I'm happy.
I'm okay. Okay. I'm okay.
Hey, better than the other one. Right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm happy. Better than the other one.
Nalihili.
Yeah. No, not the me, the old guy.
Yeah, the old guy, yeah.
Oh.
I know.
His name. I don't want to. There's a kid. See, everything's secure. Look, you have to have the key, right?
Yeah.
Look, I like that. Hotel, everybody in and out. In and out. We don't have any homes. It doesn't matter. Boy, girl. They don't upgrade this one. The car people are used to the diamonds. The other
Oh, yeah.
they don't look too more.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's under
totally,
construction.
yeah.
That's why we have huge this guy. That's why they sent over here.
Oh,
What is the best time to buy? Under construction.
Mhm.
Okay, we're gonna see 2 bedroom. First right here, then I show you. Well, come on, guys. Get in. Get in.
Yeah, you gonna stay in the other one? Yes, you can.
Wow.
It's gonna be less.
Go ahead and check the room.
The other thing, you have the.
Oh, rooms, oh.
Wow.
Yeah, nice room.
Oh, the master bedroom.
Yeah.
No, it's just one of the bedrooms.
Oh, no.
Oh, okay.
Maybe
This.
this girls can stay here.
Uh,
They have their own bathroom. This is a pull-up. Another person or two can sleep here. And then this is a, I would say, mommy and daddy.
What bathroom?
mm-hmm. Nice bathroom, yeah.
At least 260 tub.
Mm-hmm. Nice, oh.
Same as the hotel that we stayed in.
Yeah.
So
this one.
check the other one, your master bedroom, you and your
Oh.
wife. It's got a little bit more
Yeah.
space. Check that. They got their own bedroom.
Oh, yeah.
Yun siya.
Yeah. Yeah, they got a big bathroom too.
Ang laki nga, no?
Yeah. Oh.
So if you bring in more family
Yeah, they can still stay.
or co-worker and this
Yeah.
and that, I'm gonna show you the bigger one. It's called 2-bedroom deluxe. Look, is this desert as a kitchen?
Yeah.
See, like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, that's all Hilton.
Wow.
See, I
Wow.
like this one.
Wow. Huge.
I know. Go to start with the bedroom. This one, a huge one.
Nice.
Yeah. I like this one.
Yeah.
This is more.
Also, right here, nobody comes to the right, but refrigerator.
Yeah, that's a mini menu.
Yeah, if you go eat somewhere, you don't want to stuff yourself and then can't walk, you know, bring it back from the refrigerator.
Check that one.
Nice bathroom too.
Ganda.
Wow.
Saan ka sa isa? Isa.
Yeah.
Beautiful. You still sit at the table at home? I did too. Yeah, I did too. So this is my favorite spot.
Wow, they got a.
Oh,
Wow.
You're not for a child. Yeah, and you can sit.
Mm-hmm.
You can sit there.
parang yung paint.
Why are you shaking your head?
Ganda, no? Yung
This bigger than yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
Way bigger.
Everyone says that.
I know.
This is
Right?
bigger than
And
my
this-
house.
This is a balcony
This
too.
backyard is so spacious.
Bigger.
I call backyard, but you know, terrace or balcony, whatever.
See?
Look at the space, look at the
Yeah.
The view is nice too.
See?
Ganda, no?
Next
Yeah.
year, come over here, watch the fire work. From here.
You can bring some friends too.
You can bring anybody.
Family.
We don't
Yeah.
care. Bring your
Yeah.
families.
Mhm.
It doesn't matter. 6 people, 10 people.
Yeah.
Bring your
Yeah, we
family.
can bring our parents.
This is designed to be for families.
Mhm.
Yeah. All right, let's go back.
Hey,
Look, I need to show your husband because he's booking. If you're not buying this, you have to pay this owner renting something like that on Expedia.com.
Yeah.
See? Expensive.
3,000 a night?
Yeah, per night. Because it's huge. Yeah. But for you, 3,000 point all week, 2,000 point for maximum 5,000.
Mm-hmm.
Remember I showed you?
Yeah.
Hindi pala sila ng ano.
Yeah. Mm.
Yung manginit na pakalaki na yun.
Yeah.
Ay, wala na.
Hindi, pupunta naman tayo sa harapan eh. Kanina sana eh.
You're changing
Wala na.
color.
Ay, 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 ay,
Ayan
ay.
na.
Wow! Ganda, men. Oh.
In 1,000 feet, turn right.
Mas maganda pag malayo. Ganda niya, oh. Ayan, ganda, oh.
What is that?
Ganda, oh.
Turn right, then turn right.
Look at me. Oh, the eyes are on the
Turn right, ayan, oh.
Yan, oh.
Ano ko yung tindahan?
Ito po. Malapit na po tayo guys sa Spear. Yan na. Kailangan yung mag-walk dito ng ano.
For how long?
How long?
How many minutes? 10 minutes?
Mga 10 minutes
Ito na
din.
pala, no?
Huwag nga, madali lang. So guys, ang gagawin nyo, magpark kayo sa Venetian. Venetian Hotel, doon kayo magpapark. Pag doon kayo mismo magpapark sa Spear, mahal. $100 per parking. Sa Venetian, mura lang, $25.
20 bucks.
Oo.
Ayun na siya sa gabi. Punta tayo.
Pag natapos yung show, lalabas naman tayo doon sa Spear eh.
Tayo doon sa ano? M&M ba yun?
Oo.
Yan, malayo.
Yeah. Dito na tayo guys sa Spear, sa loob na. Ito na po guys ang Spear, sa loob ng Spear. Oh. Dito na tayo. Daming tao guys, so tingnan mo.
Bag check, stay right.
Hindi mo na kailangan mag-bag check dahil maliit lang yung bag mo.
Too much water. The pressure goes.
Oh, ang dami oh. Sa Cyril. Mas ano ka na? Ha? Yeah, oh.
A la Estatua de la Libertad completa y del atrio donde se encuentra apagado.
Oh,
Sir, when you get to the escalator, you can hear that. Keep it moving.
Bakit na po tayo sa ano? Oh, yan ang ano. Yan ang escalator. elevator ng Spiro. Kung gusto nyo kumain, dito kayo kakain sa baba. Guys, yan o. Yan mo yung line-up ng tao, ang dami.
Showtime once again begins at 5:15. 29 minutes.
Anong ano?
2:05 tayo.
So, saan? Ito, left. Ano to? 1 to 11.
Ayan, dito tayo. 2:07.
Ayun, doon.
Yan. Ano guys, nandito kami sa sa loob ng Sphere. Ganyan guys, ganyan ang Sphere. Tapos nandito kami sa gitna ng mamaya mapupuno na yan.
Hills of dirt and stone.
Ano ba? You don't like it?
No, it wasn't like wow.
Ganun?
Yung una, parang, wow.
Oo.
Tapos sabi ko parang paulit-ulit lang.
Oo.
Parang pinakita lang yung mga design na ano.
Oo. No.
Right outside, straight ahead, right here, all the way down the stairs. If you're looking for Uber or ride share, just down the stairs outside, we'll take you right to our right.
You could have been more.
Yan mo. Happy holidays daw from the Sphere. Yeah.
So worth it po, remember.
Bakit? Pero maganda yung special effects, di ba? Oh. Medicore lang?
Avatar's was better.
Diba?
And Avatar's was cheaper.
Kailangan yung avatar. Avatar ng
Ito lang
movie.
yung sound effects.
Yung special effects ng ano. Pero kailangan yung movie maganda rin.
Parang wala lang.
Ah. So kunwari palabas din yung avatar, mas okay.
Tickets where you put the glasses on.
Bye-bye everyone, thank you so much.
Wala tayo mag-isip para
Sa ano, pagkababa mo, mano, pwede na mag-tour.
Parang inano nila yung
Yeah.
And you know what movie does that better?
Wall-E.
WALL-E. 10 years ago.
Maganda lang daw special effects. Pero yung story daw hindi.
Saan tayo?
Punta yun, no? Grand Lux Cafe daw, ano? Italian restaurant yan. Ay, ito raw yung kalaban ng ano, yung Cheesecake Factory, yung Grand Lux Cafe daw. Yan na pasta oh.
Think it worth it. It's $20 to $30 for entree.
Ito yung casual cuisine nila yan.
Kano ng starters.
Starters to.
Wala man lang ano, no?
That's expensive. And what do they mean by Asian nacho? Asian doesn't have nacho.
So ba, Sarah?
It's just the same thing.
Gusto mo ba gusto?
Try it.
Pasta carbonara, yun know? Yeah, meron sila oh.
94.50.
Yeah, not bad naman yung price eh.
35 in Canadian, this is 30 to 40 bucks.
Yun din yung price sa ano, Cheesecake Factory. Ito yung kalaban ng Cheesecake Factory, itong Grand Lux Cafe.
Ito, ribeye steak.
Yan.
41.95.
Yan o, may Big Wellington nga sila. Yan yung tinitinda ni Gordon Ramsay.
Ayun, shrimp scampi.
Oo.
Tara, dito nila.
Yeah. Kala yan.
You have to go to Cheesecake Factory.
So guys, nandito tayo sa ano. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Grand Lux Cafe. Dito kami nag-celebrate ng aming Christmas Eve. Tignan natin yung menu. Breakfast. So dinner tayo, yan o. Yung mga food natin. May food natin, no? Sara carbonara.
This is my shirt.
Okay.
I have the carbonara.
Sa akin yung spaghetti. Yeah, guys, ito. I-save ko muna ito for tomorrow. Para may pagkain mo sa December 25. Yung Sarah, ubus na. Save din ko sa kanya. Dito. Bakit dito tayo? Dito tayo dapat sa ano? Tama din. Parang dito yata.